गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। सो आज की वीडियो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग और आपके लिए हेल्पफुल भी होगी इफ़ यू आर अ प्लांट लवर लाइक मी। सो इसमें मैं आपको 5 लो मेंटेनेंस प्लांट्स बता रही हूँ जिनको फ्रीक्वेंट वाटर देने की नीड नहीं है। एंड इफ़ यू हैव अ बिजी लाइफ, सो इवन देन यू कैन टेक केयर ऑफ these plants. So the first plant in this list is this. So you can see this is snake plant and it is really very good plant. You can see its leaves are thick, that is why you don't need to water it frequently. So इसको सेंसिवेरिया भी कहते हैं and this is really a good indoor plant as well. So even NASA research has shown that this plant helps in keeping formaldehyde and benzene like pollutants away, and this keep the air inside your home clean. So I think प्लांट विथ सो मच बेनिफिट इज़ मस्ट टू हैव एंड मस्ट टू बाय। इसको आप कटिंग से भी ग्रो कर सकते हैं, जो मैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बताऊंगी कि इसको कटिंग से कैसे ग्रो करते हैं। सो इसका टेक्सचर देखिए, इसके लीव्स थिक होते हैं एंड इनका शेप जो है ये काफ़ी शार्प होता है। एंड द थिंग इज़ ये स्नेक की तरह थोड़ा थोड़ा लगता है, मे बी दैट्स वाई इट इज़ नोन एज स्नेक प्लांट। सो दिस प्लांट इज़ रियली गुड एंड यू कैन ऐड दिस in your living room area or even you can add it in kitchens or in your yoga room. So ये आपकी वहाँ की एयर को क्लीन रखेगा एंड पॉल्यूटेंट्स को आपसे दूर रखेगा. So the number 1 in the list is snake plant, low maintenance and very good air purifier. So this plant is really so in short this plant is really very good. And अगर आप कुछ ऐसा plants में इंटरेस्ट रखते हैं और परचेज करना चाहते हैं, so I think you should buy 3-4 such plants. And yeah, this was the review of this one. So I really love it. इसको ग्रो करना इतना ईजी है. देखिए साइड पे मैंने कटिंग लगाई है और उससे भी ये एक और न्यू प्लांट यहाँ ग्रो हो रहा है. So yeah, the number 1 is snake plant in the list. So the next plant in the series is rubber plant. You can see its leaves are so cute and it is super easy to maintain, and it is also good from vastu from vastu purpose. Actually, it is proven that it is really lucky if you keep it in your living area, and you can also keep it in bedrooms as well. So the thing is, this plant don't need lot of maintenance, and even you don't have any need to water it every day. Just water it twice a week or thrice, not more than that, because its leaves are really thick and I think they store water. And this is burgundy rubber plant. Its scientific name is Ficus elastica and I really love it. Earlier I thought that it grows really slow, but then it has picked the growth and now it's growing really properly. But you can see my rubber plant is tilting, so I think I have to provide it support, so you can also do that. And otherwise I have not faced any problem as such. It was really easy to maintain this plant. कोई ताम झाम नहीं था, कोई एक्स्ट्रा पानी या केयर नहीं, इस पर कोई भी पेस्ट अटैक भी नहीं करते हैं. सो या दिस प्लांट ग्रोज रियली वेल. मैंने इसको सिंपल से प्लांटर में लगाया, बट इफ़ यू वांट यू कैन plant it in a good ceramic or other steel planters which are available in the market these days. And I am also looking forward to buy the other variety of the rubber plant, but this one I love and I just love this plant. So if you are looking for a good indoor plant, trust me, just buy a rubber plant. I swear this plant is really looks so good. Just add it in one corner of your living area and it will lighten up that area, and is also a good source of oxygen. So the next plant in our series of low maintenance plant, easy to maintain plants is jade plant. Yes, jade plant. I love this plant. The way it looks, its leaves are super cute. You can see the leaves, they are super cute, and it is really a low maintenance plant. You don't have to water it every day, just like snake plant and the rubber plant. This plant also don't need much care. The reason is its leaves are rubbery, are of thick texture, and it stores water just like succulents. And this looks really good. Just add it in any corner of your living room and it will just turn that area into it will just give that area a new look and it will brighten up your living space. And the thing is, this plant is also known as lucky plant in Chinese culture. And apart from this plant has some medicinal values as well, which a lot of people don't know. In Chinese tradition, they use this plant to cure diabetes and for making medicines for diabetes, and they believe that if we make tea from the leaf of jade plant, it helps in curing the diabetes symptoms, which is really good. So apart from being a good ornamental plant, this plant has medicinal values and is also a good air purifier. So if you are looking for a succulent, so you can buy it. Its scientific name is Crassula ovata and it is from the succulent family, so that is why it is low maintenance and don't need frequent water. So yeah, you can make even bonsai from jade plant as I have made. I will show you. And I have, this one is not bonsai but मैंने इसको एक छोटे से प्लांट में लगाया and it looks so cute. इसमें देखो इसकी soil dry हो गई है. Only then when the soil is dry, add a few drops of water क्योंकि इसको ज़्यादा पानी नहीं चाहिए and ज़्यादा पानी से इवन इसका ये लीव्स जो है वो ख़राब हो सकते हैं. सो डोंट ऐड मच वाटर. वही वीक में 2 or 3 times just water it. And this one is bonsai which I have tried to create from jade plant. And this one is bonsai which I am trying to create from this jade plant. You can see इसकी trunk जो है वो grow कर रही है but from lot of days because I was away from home तो मैं इसका pruning नहीं कर पाई. So ये जो यहाँ पे excess जो है इसकी मैं cutting करूँगी आज और इसको अच्छे से proper pruning करूँगी. और इसकी trunk में मैंने wiring भी की है, आप देख सकते हैं. इसीलिए यहाँ पे इसकी trunk में कुछ भी extra stems grow नहीं हुई हैं. यहाँ पे हुई है, so I will just remove it. And ये extra stem को I will remove. And make detailed video लेके आऊँगी, sorry, how you can make bonsai from jade plant. So yeah, this looks so cute. So you can see एक jade plant से और even इसकी cutting से भी आप एक new plant बना सकते हैं. So guys, I have shown you all the 3 plants which are really easy to maintain. And अगर आपको ऐसा लगा हो इस वीडियो को देख के कि आप को भी ये plants लेने चाहिए, so definitely go to any local nursery and you can buy. और किसी के घर जाके cuttings ला सकते हैं jade plant की and you can grow your new jade plant from there. And मैं next video में आपको बताऊँगी how you can grow all these plants from cuttings. And the next 2 plants which are really good to have in your living area or as an indoor plant, I will show you. So the next plant in our list is spider plant. I have put this plant in a hanging planter. You can see this is also made by me. This planter is also a DIY. I will show you in the next video how to make this planter as well. So this plant is not only a good ornamental plant but also has a lot of properties. It is a good air purifying plant and that is why a lot of people keep this even in indoor areas. And you can see its leaves are green in color and they are variegated with white. Because of it's this look, it is called as spider plant because the leaves fall from the main area downwards. So that is why it is known as spider plant. And it is very hard to kill plant, guys. If you are a beginner and you want to buy some plants, you can buy this, because even if you overwater it or underwater it, this plant will survive in any condition. And this is a tropical plant, that is why you can grow it in any part of India and it will grow really well. So the next plant and the final one is this. This is also a variety of jade and this is known as Chinese lucky plant, which is known as very lucky there in China. And this is also a succulent, that is why you don't have need to water it much. Just check its soil, and if you feel like water is less and the soil is dry, only then add water. The reason why our succulents don't grow is we water them in excess. सो प्लीज़ ऐसा मत कीजिए, ज़्यादा वाटर देने के चक्कर में अपने प्लांट्स को ख़राब मत कीजिए. सकुलेंट्स डोंट नीड मच केयर. दे आर लाइक कैक्टस इन डेजर्ट. इवन दो यू डोंट वाटर देम, दे विल सर्वाइव, दे विल थ्राइव बिकॉज दे आर वेरी हार्ड टू किल. सो अगर आप बिगनर हैं तो बाय सकुलेंट्स, और सकुलेंट्स बहुत लो मेंटेनेंस हैं, सो वो जल्दी ख़राब भी नहीं होंगे. दे कैन टेक केयर ऑफ देमसेल्फ. इवन इफ़ यू फॉरगेट them to water for weeks, they will survive. So इसी के साथ हमारी ये वीडियो of 5 easy and low maintenance plant की एंड होती है. एंड आई होप दैट यू लाइक इट. और अगर आपको अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक बटन को हिट करना और सब्सक्राइब भी करिए हमारे चैनल को, सो दैट वी कैन कम वेरी सून विद नेक्स्ट सच वीडियोज़. टिल देन, बाय बाय. So you can buy it. Its scientific name is Crassula ovata. Yes. Mental properties but also medicinal. नहीं, और properties बना सकते हैं. So this plant is really good. अगर आपको लगता है कि
વિડીયો બન રહે છે.